Hey, and welcome back to Standing Off Road. This week we've got a little bit of a challenge ahead of us. As you can see, we sunk the boat up at Copmanhurst. An extra bit of joy for our camping trip. Anyway, we got it going again and back in the water, and we just pulled it out each night and chucked it on a trailer so it wouldn't fill up. She seemed to be leaking quite a lot this trip. So when we got home, I took it over to the old boy's place and we had a bit of a look at it and pretty much worked out that the transom was rotten. So come along as we do a bit of a repair on the old ski boat. You wonder where I get my roughness from. Rough as. And we get inside and she's rotten. And there she is, transom all removed. The old boy's been working hard at getting out all the old wood that was rotten. And as you can see, it's not real good there either. That was right across the top here. But yeah, it's not real good, but probably the old boy will do most of it. There's a little bit of damage in there. A little bit of there. Ah, the joys. Oh well. We've got to dry her right out. That's what the big fan here is for. Dry that right out. Rebuild a new transom in there. Fix it all up. Glass him up. And then get the big donk back on top. Clean her all up. And with any luck, she'll be ready for after winter.
Maybe I just sit on that. That? Yep.
The old boy has been busy again. He's done a heap of work while I wasn't here. Put the back sheet on and a heap of woven over the corners down into there. Look at that. He's done an awesome job, hasn't he? Getting it ready for a gel coat and paint. We got the big donk sitting on there. Just gotta drill out some holes to hold her on. Well, we think it's in the middle. Kind of a bit hard. Close enough, Boaz reckons. This is one hell of a big heavy donk. the big 115. But the gel coat's all done. Made a bit of a mess of it in here. We'll just give her a bit of a clean up later. Needs a little bit of a sand on the edges, just a little bit. Nice job for Boaz.
Okay.
He wants to repaint the whole lot.
Make it navy blue.
Sorry?
Make it navy blue.
Navy blue. That's a lot of work for you.
I know, but you gotta help me, because why not?
All bolted up. Ski hooks in. Ladders on. So we're in the boat this morning and we're tidying up wiring. I've tidied up a heap already. I've pushed it up in there and cable tied a heap of stuff up. Some up there. But I've got this to go. I'm going to mount the battery. The battery used to just sit in this corner, not strapped down or anything. But we're actually going to mount it in the middle. And I've got a strap, just a pull tight strap. So we're going to put the battery, give me a second, I'll move it into place. Going to put the battery there. Got these little brackets, one for each side, that we're just going to screw into the floor. That'll help it go, not move side to side, and then strap straight over the top just to hold it in place. This here is our isolation switch. So I'm going to mount that kind of up there somewhere is the plan. Still long enough wire to get over to there, and I've just got to tidy up all these wires and run the negatives to the battery. Tidy them up, strap them up into this cavity, and then the big donk needs a start up, so make sure she still goes. Haven't had it going. So that's the wiring done, all tucked up under there. Just got to let the Sikaflex or silicon set there. On that. Battery's in place. Got a bit of angle on this side, bit of angle on that side. It's a little bit of room, but it's not moving anyway, so probably didn't even need them. She needs a good vacuum, but we're going to get some water going in the motor and see if we can start her up. What are you doing?